Hello there, welcome back to the React Masterclass by my project ideas. And today we are going to see what are React fragments. Also, we will be seeing like how can we use the React fragment, and we will conclude this tutorial. So first of all, what are the React fragments? React fragments, as name suggests, are the fragments code used to group elements together and can render them. Yet the elements are not considered to be grouped. I will teach you this in detail. So first of all, why do we need fragments? Because we group more than one element inside a single div or another section tags, then it will create a new DOM node inside the DOM tree. So wrapping more than one component inside a React fragment will not cause the render an extra node. So this is very important. If we wrap more than one component inside the fragment we will be using wrapping the more than one elements. So that will not be considered an extra node. And that is the case when you don't want to have a parent element of some children components or elements. So it will behave as a single component, but inside the DOM tree, it is actually more than one node. So that comes when there are complex layouts and complex UI layouts together with if you don't want to render them as a single node. So these are the ways that you can use the fragments. You can import the fragment directly from the React and then use the name fragment, and otherwise this is a syntax which I prefer more. Both ways are valid and accepted. So now let us see the React fragment and its practicality. So I'm inside the app.jsx. Okay, let me remove all these things. Okay, import React from React. Okay, fine. So now I will show you like how do we use React fragments. So as we have done things previously like this, inside the div, suppose I want another div. Just consider this div as a component. Then here is like React and another div like Masterclass. As you can see, both divs are inside a single parent div. So if the code is running already, then React and Masterclass are appearing one by one, as you can see. So this is how we usually do things, to not more complicate. So now it comes to the React fragment. Now I will just remove this thing. Now it is a fragment. Actually this syntax is the later one. The actual syntax is this: React dot fragment. Because I have imported the React, or you can also say fragment and just remove this thing or type this thing. This is also valid. Now these things are inside the fragment. So what will happen under the hood is like there are two nodes. There are two actual DOM nodes. One is React div and one is Masterclass div. But they are using the same logic of app.jsx. So that is how we are separating those two DOM nodes, but actually they are working in a clubbed manner. So this was how to use the React fragment. I can also remove this. This syntax is better so that you can understand. They are clubbed inside a React fragment. Now if I run, it's still the same. But okay, these are up there because they are not inside a container. So that's why. But things are still same, because these two are different nodes now, not the same node. Okay, so this was the React fragment for you. So that was the practical for the React fragment, and here I will provide the reference to the actual React docs so that you can see what it is. And thank you for reaching till here, and I'm very excited to see you in the next video.